All right, next, let's give a little pace here. We got a new slide coming up. Yep. In a 1-2. And let me already introduce two magnificent people, Mr. Paul Bosch and Mr. Jean-Pierre van Tichelen.
Hi.
Hey, Paul. Box, hand, box.
Box. Oh, Box.
Hi, Mark.
Great to be here, Paul. Being the EVP of the business operations of KPN. So what are your main challenges? So, you know, we are talking IT and tech here, but give it for the business, right?
Yeah, well, for the business, also, of course, for all the businesses, all the companies in the Netherlands, we provide a lot of technology. Every day we are working on providing the best digital infrastructure in the Netherlands. We are building out a huge fiber network to run all the companies and connect all the companies. We're building out great 5G networks in the Netherlands. So also to create great connectivity possibilities, but also come closer to companies to have better low latency possibilities to work. And of course, we are always, all the time, taking along our customers in their journey for their digitalization or their journey to the cloud. We are providing workplaces, so we do a lot of things. And if you ask what are your main challenges in this setup, taking care of all my customers, of course, but my main challenges for anybody in ICT, I think today, first of all, security. It is one of my day-to-day challenges. Security and stability, those are the two main important things that keep me every day awake. Not only for KPN infrastructure, not only for the services we run, but of course also for all our customers that depend on us. And that's the two main things I'm doing.
Right. And if you look from that KPN perspective, so what are the distinguished features at this stage, would you say?
So what is distinguishing us is that is a bit the transformation and the journey we are going through, and that is mainly about the large and the corporate enterprises at the moment. We found out that we came from a situation that we built everything every customer ever wanted from us. We are dealing with customers that want certain parts of connectivity or want certain cloud environments or certain workspaces, but we are slowly making this transition, actually rationalizing a lot of our products and making a simple and clean portfolio, which we can much more in a digital way and in an automated way provision for all our customers. And I think that is really the big and giant jump we made over the past years, making sure that also in this large and corporate enterprise segment, we are building out this modular portfolio, again, about connectivity, about secure connectivity, about voice services, that everybody can collaborate and work together, about workplaces, that everybody can actually work together in his workplace, but also for the cloud journeys and additional security portfolio. But that all combining much more in a modular way, in an assembly way, so that we can deal with all these large and corporate customers in the Netherlands, but still very much in a digital and automated way with digital interaction with our customers.
Right. And now you can expect an in-depth question of Mark here, right?
I can,
Here we go, Pop. You are sitting on this end-to-end data pipes. You can see everything, and all that knowledge I read was being used for data analysis and process mining. So I was wondering, what can you share? What are some of maybe the most surprising changes you derived from that, or some of the best insight that helped you deliver better service?
So and this is really great, where we are working with Jean-Pierre and with ServiceNow as well. One of our digital platforms in our architecture is ServiceNow. And what we are deriving now in dealing with our customers and making really this digital journey for our customers working, it is all about these deep insights into our data. For example, one of the great things I discovered is, for example, in our service management part, you know, we try to deal with all our customers as good as possible and as fast as possible. If something comes up, that we help them. But by the process mining and the data mining that actually ServiceNow performed for us, we came to the conclusion that there still are many hops in our process to get to the right solution. So still we have a lot of people sending in a ticket or on the phone, you know, and it takes hop, hop, hop 3 times through all of KPN before you come to a solution for your problem. And I think those much higher level insights and value cases, that is what we are working on together now.
If you put that in the context of ServiceNow, so what are the developments at your stage at this time?
So I think
Yeah, but just going back from the original positioning of managed services, right, into platforms now.
yeah, exactly. I think what we're really happy with is that increasingly customers are seeing us as more than just an IT platform, right? So as Paul just mentioned, for KPN we are really the backbone when it comes to their digital service delivery, orchestrating everything that they have in terms of the origination and the service delivery. So increasingly we're seeing customers using ServiceNow as a core foundation for their digital service delivery. And that touches upon, value, helping create value, that touching upon making them more resilient and also making them more agile. So I think in that sense, we're really broadening the scope of the platform significantly.
If you would, and maybe a question for the both of you, if you look at what you're doing with the data now, from analytics all the way to AI, maybe even taking humans out of the loop or amplifying humans, where are you on the journey?
So the last one is very, very, very interesting because that is one we are thinking of very often. And it starts with, I think, for an excellent customer experience, it is not about taking humans out, but getting much better human-assisted ways of working. I think there is so much quality in any conversation, in any interaction with our customers to actually also provide more value for them, that it is never about taking people out, but making sure that you can assist them in a uniform way of working. So the system for the customer is the same as the system for our people to work with. And that is actually the step we are more or less taking now, making sure that it is first actually about the system, and secondly about the assistance of a human to do the best performance on that one.
All right. So what else on the agenda, gentlemen, together?
Co-creation. I think what we're seeing is a lot of co-creation between KPN and ServiceNow in terms of even increasing the digital service delivery. So when it comes to really specific telco solutions, by the way, it's not just in telco. We're having other industries where we're delivering a lot of core functionality, but together with KPN, we really have a value-based co-delivery model.
Yeah, I would totally agree. It is really about making a next step in a partnership model as well. It is about co-creation. It is about much more the value behind it, getting the use cases on the table, getting the use cases with all the experience for ServiceNow towards KPN, how we can better perform together and how we can operate better in the market. And that is actually the journey we are on now. And I think it is really nice. It's nice for us, but also for all the engineers and all the people working with both of the companies.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul and Jean-Pierre.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we go next.